Hi everyone, let's simplify this exponential and power Olympiad question. So this we have our solution. So what we need to do here is to consider some rule of exponent which will be applicable in this solution. First, and the rule is when we have base a power m multiplied by base a power n, we can write that as base a power n plus n. Another rule is when we consider base a power n over base a power n, that can be written as base a power n minus n. Here m, the condition is that m must be greater or equal to n. The rule which we are going to consider here is when we have base a multiplied by b to the power of n, then we can multiply both to have the power of n, then base b to the power of n. So let's consider this rule in simplifying this expression, this exponential expression. We are going to split this base into 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 8 over 2 multiplied by 3 into bracket to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. Now we can now multiply this power with the base. So we have that to be equal to 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 8 over 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. Then we have 2 to the power of 4. So from here we can now combine this that has the same base together. So we have 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 8 all over 2 to the power of this and this, their power will be added. So we have 5 plus 4. So multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 8 over 2 to the power of 9. This added together give us 9. Then 3 to the power of what? 5. Now, considering one of the rules that we introduced earlier, so we are going to split this apart based on their like time or the same base. So we have that to be equal to 2 to the power of 12 over 2 to the power of 9, then multiply by 3 to the power of 8 over 3 to the power of 5. And this can be written as 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 9, then subtract 9, then multiply by 3 to the power of 8, subtract 5, and that's given as, if we subtract this, we are going to have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3, and that will be equal to, so if we simplify this, 2 to the power of 3 will give us 8, then 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27. We give us 27, and that will be equal to, so if we multiply this, we have 216. So to check this, so if we insert the value direct, so we have 2 to the power of 12 given as 4096, then 3 to the power of 8 is given as 6561, then 6 to the power of 5 is equal to 776, then 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. So if we insert this value directly, so we are going to have 4096 multiplied by 6561 over 776 1.76 multiplied by 16. So multiplying and dividing all this through, we have at the numerator 26,873,856 over the denominator, which is given as 124,416. So dividing this, if we divide this, okay, we can check it with our calculator, and that will give us 216 as the final answer.